mararehete Ngai hata ici makiuga ati mucere ti muhiu rito letin yari thukuru ino with a lot of many cases ginya 2023 thukuru ino no yahingitwo ni undu wa cases ota ici ko ni Ngai kiuga the Ministry of Education ni kwendwo irore ni atia kana magicenjie staff tondu gutirathie wega tondu ora ni megukorwo maki lose students tondu ndungikienda mwana waku athie thukuru teno
ni hahena thina
ni arimu kana tukuga no tukwira
I think
kuchochana tu well ni thomeire day school so I can't relate goria kwiragwo ciana cia boarding school ni makoragwo me wild kuna venye wanakuanga tu wild so siezi relate kabisa but I think ni kuchochana tu akukosangi to few elements
also I feel like generations that is different todo tare withuere ni tuonaga mufira surely
no ningi tuiga uhoro wa generations generation na indiscipline cirokanira ku we have a disciplined generation koguo tutige kuga uhoro wa generation tondu twina andu a generation Z na generation alpha aria mena discipline koguo niguo ni thukuru either macenjie staff kana o mamenye niki
staff marokanira kuna na
arimu akirio magiri gukorwo magitrain this is a training institution na matira train uhoro wa mathomo na andu ni mara train nginya meikarire ya muturire lifestyle maundu macio mothe koguo ri maroreka ni arimu kana ni atia kurathi thina wiha tondu cases ici ndi cingihite muno
the overpowered security na police officers na makihoria thitima ni ndiwe na ti the first time otoguo waiga
kana ni bangi
could be toka ni maratumira kindu
koguo edi uthuthuria ugikwo ni marore nginya kana kwina mundu urahe ciana ici bangi aramenderia na ku tondu wina sober mind kwe maundu utangika honestly kwika guoya uiguaga
ni weriga kuhingwo ru ni uhingwo fiu
ni uhingwo na ni nguga tawe
watu watafutwe shule zingine ama wakae nyumbani
nondu na ni nyonire ni mekugaga ni millions of money destruction in happen because a lot of millions
no mete ruturorete gwika nginya kigerio
by the way term 3
megupatara facilities cia gwika KCS ndathi locals
no nginya so ni mwemari
na hena andu megukome jobless uguo wira wathira uguo
umagaria mwana waku ma athie cukuruma ukamuhoyagira Ngai tondu umenyera atukana na andu ri aria maracindire aria matanacina
othe megikabu kimwe
meja megithaku giki anyway tugaki mahoera na tukiuge tugakimendithiria wega na please let's check thina wiha utigituka 2-3 years in a row ai hapana there's a problem uria tutoe ni uriku no hena thina haya imwe kwa imwe all the way mpaka kule mwena wa US kuria kindu gigwitwo delegates kana kindu gigwitwo UN General Assembly zirathi na mbere na ni kurari na kindu gigwitwo andu mara walk out riria mundu gwitwo Netanyahu riu nirarehekeria ngahiha ara akoragwo akiari andu marakorwo kana delegates mara storm riria araragia niwe prime minister wa kura mwena wa Israel Benjamin Netanyahu oria arathire kuoya stage kana kuoya kamero akihariria kwaria kuratuika na mass exit kana delegates maraumururuka oro rimwe na ni thutha makoretwo magukiritwo na micamanio ingira githiaga na mbere aso ne mararia muno horo wa situation iri kuria mwena wa Gaza na proposal ekirikuo ya guki end kana ya kunina barere koretwo kuo na Netanyahu gutiramenya kiratumire andu riria arakirugamire kwaria maragikorwo magikiohora na ni uroneka wi undu we no ti undu ritire mbere si mara ya kwanza na ruona video na rugo darigwa tenere ya Afrika neno ini ukweli
ni ya mwaka muthiru
Joshua
ni ya mwaka muthiru na ni actually ndikuona thina na okuma tondu ndungikorwo rarugama na turatuhe kihonia kia maundu maria marathie na mbere tondu the reason as to why maumaga ni ku boycott genocide what has been happening
eno neo ya thaisi kuna ya last time lakini kuna hii ni ya sai
na kwani last year waka walk out na mwako
the same
Okay.
Yeah. Tondu no nabare ikoretwo githie na mbere Gaza, ikoretwo githie na mbere for almost years. Na ririkana kiungano giki kia UN General Assemblies ki hapenaga o mwaka. Na of course ni gukorwo gigethwo kihonia koguo coincidentally uria aragia ri maragika tutikwa maraumururuka maragithie. Yeah, ino ni ya mwaka uyu. Ni njui ni kuri na ya last year but ino ni ya mwaka uyu. Yeah. Ni uri
hana bahati basi ararugama andu makauma, so uguo ni kuga skiza there is something
marakwire marathi tondu bururi ndunokira delegates akuma US delegates ni matigirwo US matigirwo
na aria maraumaga aria kuna aria maraumaga na kwina aria maratigitwo the makihura makofi koguo mahota gukorwo marari rumwe no uria matana kiuma nja
koguo ri hena gathina barake njuga tariu mundu gwitwo andu aya ni monete maundu maingi muno
kaundu kanini
na walk to out ni sawa it's in communication tugaga ni he undu ira communicate he no undu irauga kugo either you don't want to take that feedback tondu ngikorwo last year it happened you do ile feedback here the same this year then there's a problem. Yeah haya mundu gwetwo Benjamin ni agwibanga na andu ake
ni afange wira
muthe ni athe tegwithecithio nja muthe no riu turio hau ri na kimundu gwetwo France gwetwo kana New York is very very famous ni undu wa kindu gigwetwo traffic. Si you know Jack si umekuwa huko Jack asigezema
negothie ndiga ngethiete
I know Jack angesema yeah when I was there I ona
horo nawe ndukwenda
reda koguo mundu gwetwo Macron ni arakwamite thini wa traffic tondu naturally ni gukoragwo na traffic kuno ru imagine otoria atana ni wetu wanafungi wangwa kukiwa na itagwatia motorcade ona president wa Trump agithia handu ni I think it's a world thing
witwa haicagio ginya bathi
it's a global
nyathia ginya maguru wagwitu
uriko ginya bathi
uyu koto wagwitu no
athiaga
drone agikira zebra crossing maguru
oh really
yeah
haja
kana kaingirio bathi
igwandeto anyway mundu gwetwo Macron gitabe tuone video kuria akwamite traffic ini na ni arahurire akihurira mundu atumite akwame niwe President Donald Trump akimwira nimekwama kwa traffic juu yako gitabe tuone video kwa ni capture ni the French press traffic ini.
Who's this? How many people?
No, I have 10 people with me. I go to the French embassy.
No. I'm sorry, President. I'm really sorry. It's just that everything's frozen right now. There's a motorcade coming right. That's why. I'm sorry.
If you don't see it, let me cross. I negotiate with you.
No, it's not that.
How are you? Guess what? I'm waiting in the street because everything is frozen for you.
Are you sorry? That's because it's one good thing you know.
I don't know, it's still 3 or 4 in the afternoon. But I would love if we can. Yeah, I know. I will follow. But you know, after I would love if we can have a short discussion with Qatar and you on the situation
Who's this?
Na kuretwa kiuma kwaria kure mwena wa the United Nations General Assembly. Mimi naona kama ilikuwa imepangwa. Ama ilikuja tu naturally.
No, okay, ndirona tare gufango but mi kitu tu imenibamba anakaa tu mcool.
Ginya ikarire kahiga-ine ndare na kahiha.
Mire imagine ro ucio police officer arera president ya bro cheki wezi pita ngai. Yeah, like anakaa tu and then kitu ingine drona tare kana in a show
this oromwe
no they are real people
na kyo ndigate tokorwo yari planned yes on a normal day.
By the way, tondu
on a normal day,
kwe hede Macron
French
augaga
president akwame traffic-ini she protocols dictate tondu ithe matikona na mubango neta u riu no tungi compare na tuge Kagame oke speech yake tuge ni KICC neguo uria guko gubangitwo ri gutire ni undu wa ugitiri ni undu wa security purposes we from kawe karia kanindi nako agirwo ni abehere akinye nginya kuria gwake nigetha nake wa guku aume athie.
Yes, that makes sense.
You know what, because aya tutirari horo nawe shi we are not talking about you and me tuari horo wa andu maranagirwo schedule ni mundu menyekaga ona ni
yo we okay tuge ni
go tari we street ne kuwa kiorora acoke aratho
kai
that's because of security
tuge ni gubanga marabangite walikuwa wanataka kuachieve nini
nere kuonania riri urumwe unity between countries ne twaragia
okay
sisi wajinga bwana
we hede Macron by the way araugite that Trump akoragwo just a call away no amuhurire anytime agienda
ndo exactly
koguo ri no mahota gukorwo marenda kuonania niguo that
now guys imagine ni real alafu twekere president witu hau
yes my friend
no that's impossible. Do you know who I am?
No, I don't think anaweza pull you.
Yes,
kama kuna msana jua PR.
Yeah, by the way.
Bro ataka journalist my friend na president yogi. Bro anaweza cheza kama yeye.
But kipindi re inakaku.
But remember agitire tondreke gwire. Undu ungionekera mutongoria eni wa bururi eteri-ini ucio ni movie gani nilikuwa naona of course ni American ndariganirwo
America has fallen
not Asha ni ariganira one of this year Viola Davis or something he wa kwirire in a certain kile kiatu madigano ni series hiyo could be no it's not how to get away with murder nege but any official agitera moyo wake kwanyu kana agurarire kou we don't joke
World War.
Yes nikyo wathie bururi ungi you are given this as a president the same security as president wako ginya family yako by the way yes all of them taruona awashali ndutu agethi Tanzania ajalishi kama Mama Suluhu atungeleshani I was the same
treatment.
yeah
okay so
na ona utire in fact na ogutuga ati rumors atengania kwirira which hospital we anyway kesikinya hau cio nicio cibangano cicio cia muthenya wa umuthi mundu atwire kuria tungikorwo tugikimuona nigetha tukorwo tugiki yes
nyajie
yes
double I Kabaya follow me last time ni ndamwirie ni ndikwenda kuiya ni ndenda guthondeka mbeca the right way tafadhali
kwenda gutahu
ndina kana kanini please and get na content yakwa tuone mbeca ciago karia. Thank you so much for having me Nonsizi Jack ni ndake na muno ni gukona ni urahega story tutari
gaki Mariam
gaki Mariam yeah
all right
ndongeriganirwo
Jack
na ningetwo Jack Mbogwa miena yothe ukunya na Jack_Mbogwa wenda uhoro nginya wa online writing tucemanie twaririe maundu macio mothe ko thengio muno ni kunyitanira na ithuĩ
yes na wapenda tena sana murathimo muno makiria ngeja murathime mwandandure mwararami Jack weka online writing andu meyandikithie shika fire andu ma consume content kiria giothe mundu endagia na ni generally legit mwathani aro murathima right thank you aya ni timu yakwa muthenya wa umuthi na tukiuma no tugikirora ngano iria cikihiuhitie cia thiini wa kiumia kiu na ririkana otwanda kwira ni tukunyitanira na team kana cast ya muthako wa ngerekano ugwitwo The Shaja uria we back to the theater ni undu wa public demand last year ni wari kwa lakini mukasema tunataka kuiona tena na tena ndio tukunyitanira na mundu gwitwo Esther Wairimu wa Gacuhi na mundu gwitwo Benjamin Bati aka Benjamin Sani nigetha matwire what should we expect niko turathecaja na kuo rucio tariki 27 ni rurakia all the roads lead to kuria mwena wa Meru County. Club BVB niko tugakorwo no nie we Kameme FM, Kameme TV, First Officer Jeff Njoroge, DJ Kariza 254 na tugakorwo live ni wa Kameme FM, Kameme TV ni Club BVB ni undu wa mugithi noma si noma turierwe bo ginya gukia koguo wendu kana tigwo na thutha na ni kigwa kuhihwo murio outdoor arena tunane muthenya wa rucio haria Club BVB mwena wa Mwiru the last Saturday of this month tuna finish kumaliza kumalo nigetha nyitanire na timu yakwa ya andu agwitwo The Shaja. DJ Giant haha mwerekeri wako ne kujira kana ekomba gutunegeria 1212 muziki hapa na pale nigetha twambe tugicokereria nao nigetha matwire we urenda guthie thiete nigetha wone kindu gigwitwo ithako riri kwanjiriria na mwena uriku na what should you expect ndukae guthie haraya.
Another crisis, keyboard warrior still typing. Minilabas. Now my hater how I was into what I mean. Give it a guide. Now I want to Niko shere mina vibe. Nanyi na life. I wonder tryna now you alive. Niko shere mina vibe. Nanyi munani analyze. Shukuli life. Zangu zimenai. Don't you disrespect my lover. Remember my guy. Tonight I don't want no drama. Remember my guy. Chaber dongingero anahero kasianda. Leo ni party hadi mchana. Remember my guy. Na piganga na kikosi kwa mfuko pesa haikosi mademu wananitanga kiongozi vile mimi hutesanga Nairobi sele zimeripoti chini tuko kwa magoti aki wewe usinirekodi kesho nipate mmesha niposti niko sherehe mina vibe nanyi munani analyze I wonder why me I'm just tryna catch a wine we shughulika na your life niko sherehe mina vibe nanyi munani analyze I wonder why I'm just tryna catch a wine we shughulika na your life cheki zangu zime nice don't you disrespect my lover my guy tonight I don't want no drama my guy
niache nyashi pite kwa mimi nugu sikose nguvu baby girl mi ukula njugu bad to the bone lazima nikunywe supu shake that thing hadi upigwe marufuku kaende kifo cha mende unaninyonya kama maembe na tembe gembubu vitu zetu usiseme wacha wapaki wakidhani kuna venye peleka juu sana toa ulimi zako zikipanda cheza na ndani tuko area chiki vile dobe metubeba tingisha kichwa toangeba ule dema kohanda samebeba sitoke mkono na mabe tetemeka kauna malaria kauna bakteria anafupo inakubalika najisikia sikia Bende Mdagi most juu nikifika afu to bend mdagi most juu nikifika sherehe right left mdagi most mdagi most right mdagi most right left mdagi most
kamta nini na ndege flani mzee labda dani azipoch I just mame kimbize paka matendo tu force mchele squeeze tunateka na bure na kwa na doka na mwansi dagi di mami ni peti keki na demjulo bigish season ya ganjizi banasome chiti nimepiga randa uko chini blichi bastare bana hapa hakuna chadipa kaipwa mchana usiku wanang'arika handsome beautiful zote anaitika dem zungu akifanyika right left alafu to bend mdagi mouse juu nikifika sherehe ati right left alafu to bend mdagi mouse juu nikifika sherehe.
Pendana ananienzi na muenzi alivyoumbika mashallah katoto kenyota yani star kanaleta mwangaza sitaki kupoteza mageta wachani niingie dunia halo nimekuja na tangazo tuoneni kwa macho kama sifunga milango ya roho yangu mama yala wanna show you up show you up show you up unawa finish kumalo yala wanna show you up show you up.
She was I got fear in mind, the man who's gonna take us slow. She said she was I got fear in mind, the man who's gonna take us slow. Yeah, amechoka na mchezo wa paka na pande. She want a good man, time for drama, anataka. She want a good man, be a creature. She's a pretty girl, she a church girl. She want a good man. She's been fasting and praying for a man with a beautiful heart. She want a good. She stumble and pray every day. For in love with a true man. And I roll kwa vibanda, akitafuta wa kumpenda kama papa. She wants a good life. She wants a happy life. She tired of heartbreak.
He wants a good girl. He wants a happy life. He's tired of heartbreak. Hey, yeah. Akitafuta wakumpenda kama babu. Amezunguka kwa milabu akitafuta kadem kenye adabu. In my search all the land to find a woman virtuous like Proverbs 31, yeah. In my ask the father, we put it in a order. He's made mistakes, caused some hearts to break, but he's ready for change. He's ready for love, for love.
She wants a good life. She wants a happy life. She tired of heartbreak. My penzi
good girl wants a happy life. She's tired of heartbreak.
Kuma penzi nimeoga mama, ona mwili wangu unavowaka waka baby. Kuma penzi umeniweza, ona mwili wangu unavotetemeka baby. Usiulize kwa nini nazubaa kwa mapenzi. Mapenzi mepandisha sipinda mitamami. Pandisha wengine baby misioni, imenishika mateka adogo la. Wengine misina maoni, meni moyo ushapenda adogo la. Sheri kwa penzi lako natokwa wazimu. Go la ipa mama nakuna go la because of that. Mama keki Sheri wamtam kama keki. Sheri kwa penzi lako natokwa wazimu. Kila unaponipa mama nakuna kabubu because of you. Mama keki wamtam kama keki. Tam kama keki. Sheri kwa penzi lako natokwa wazimu. Kila unaponipa mama nakuna kabubu because of you. Mama keki wamtam kama keki. Navoseti tam kama keki.
Mama keki kwangu baby na kumedi. Napenda vile unasiti we mtamu kama keki.
Usiku joto tu tasitaki blanketi. Nipe kwa fujo tu. Napenda unavyo
Diana
Kameme TV.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Hihi wina kĩũria kana woni wĩgiĩ umemerekia wa Kameme TV? Twandĩkĩre woni waku kũhĩtũkĩra Facebook @Kameme TV Kenya, X @Kameme TV Kenya, na twandĩkĩre email kũhĩtũkĩra info@mediamax.co.ke. Kameme TV, mũthĩgi wa rũrĩrĩ.
Anybody can get stroke.
Hepatitis ona no ũgĩe nĩ kũhutia mũndũ, thigino ya mũndũ.
Kũmenyeka thĩna wa higo ti gĩkuũ. Andũ makoragwo mena perception ati TB nĩ gĩkorora.
TB hatirĩ kĩga gĩtangĩhutia nĩ TB.
Tanuka irio icio wega ũtanameria. Tiga mũkoroko. Tafuna chakula.
Nĩ kũrĩ mũrimũ wĩtagwo broken heart syndrome.
Hala, andũ arĩa mena cancer ya mahũri 85% nĩ ũndũ wa thigara.
To nginya rĩrĩa ũrwarire waigwo gĩtanda-inĩ. No ũke for prevention. It is better than cure.
Nĩkĩo tuga andũ nĩ magĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo makĩmenya, magĩthiaga check up, even at least once a year wathiĩ check up karorwo.
Nĩ tũkwaria ũhoro ũngĩrigitwo atĩa, ũngĩteithĩkĩra ha.
Nĩ ũndũ wa kũramata ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ, nyitanagĩra naniĩ wa Gĩcũa Kariuki mũthenya wa Kiumia thinacara nginyagia thaa 1 cia hwaĩ-inĩ haha thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riri na Ũgima, Kameme TV, mũthĩgi wa rũrĩrĩ.
Tugaicokeria haha thĩinĩ wa Kameme TV tabarĩra ya Friday Fiesta na ngwĩra haha ikoragwo 360 tondũ noho tũkũngũagĩra nginya ataranda citũ ciothe, kana nĩ music kana nĩ kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo art na culture, na tũkĩaria ũhoro wa art and culture ngwenda twarie ũhoro wa kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo mĩthako ya ngerekano, especially kũrĩa mwena wa theater na bũrũri witũ wa Gĩkũyũ kana Gĩkũyũ-inĩ twanaheirwo gũkorwo na reke njuge athaki a mathako maya ma ngerekano ngũthi na nĩ industry ĩkoretwo ĩgĩkũra na njĩra nene mũno makiria, na tugakenera Ngai nĩ ũndũ wa arĩa makoretwo meho, arĩa meho thaa ici, na of course nĩ megũka magucĩtie arĩa tondũ maũndũ mathiaga mendiganĩro nĩgetha industry ĩthiĩ kũrĩte, na amwe acio nĩ andũ megwĩtwo production ya andũ a Mũmbi, na ithako rĩrĩ rĩgwĩtwo Thecanja, to ithako rika nĩ rĩkoretwo rĩkĩhotanĩra ngerenwa tondũ nĩ mehotanĩire ngerenwa igĩrĩ, best Kikwetu production and best actor in the male category. No mothe ndĩna timu ĩrĩa ĩgũkũ ĩtongoretio nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Esther Wairimũ wa Gacohi na mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Benjamin Mbatia aka Benjamin Sani, nĩgetha matwĩre award winning, we have award winners in the building. Na nĩ ũndũ wa Thecanja, what should we expect? No mũndũ tikae tutikomba kũmahoya ũhoro tũtamagĩndĩtie. Mũrĩega?
Tũrĩega mũno.
Karibuni sana.
Asante.
Na Benja kuna watho wa ladies first. Sio mimi. Na mimi ni Dame, kwa hivyo mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Esther wambe tũgeithie. Camera number 2 wĩtamburithanie no nĩgetha tũgĩkũmenye.
Okay, thengio muno nĩ gũtũ alika gũkũ gwa Kameme TV.
Yes.
Tũrĩ andũ akenu muno na tuga nĩ thengio. Niĩ njĩtagwo Esther Wairimũ wa Gacohi na ndĩrenda kũgeithia mwĩrore witũ harĩa mũciĩ na ndĩmwĩre karibuni sana.
Nĩguo.
Yes.
Esther nĩ we actor kana ni actress?
Yes.
Kana thikũ ici matira
nĩraereweka
nĩ ũcreataga content na nĩ ũkoragwo wĩka stage manager.
Yes.
Nĩ manage Thecanja?
Yes, nĩ ndĩra stage manage Thecanja.
Okay.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Right, na kĩmũndũ gwĩtwo Benja mwenyewe.
Yes.
Tugeithia hara thini wa camera number 3.
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much. Utonyita ogeni.
Niguo.
Tago msanii Benja, kana Benjamin Batia.
Niguo.
Yes, I'm an actor, also a producer.
Niguo.
Oh yes.
Right. No producer te eki kana
liki.
Tigiaku.
Yeah. In this one I'm just an actor.
Okay, yes. We actor how they yes. Na hii Esther no twire ngerenwa icio iria mwehotanire last year. Shumarite na kuna no wari the male actor no wehotanire male category.
Male category yehotanirwo ni mwanake wetagwo Eric Chege Wangui.
Okay.
Na this time round ni muthaki umwe witu tondu ni twa retain the cast we had last time twa retain nigetha tondu ni rerun ni gucokera turacokera muthako ucio ringi kuguo o uria wari riu tugemetie muno makiria gukira uguo wari yes na twina actors aciothe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na mukihotanira best Kikwetu production.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, best Kikwetu production niyo yothe Shaja nake Eric Chege akihotana male artist.
Male category,
yes.
Male actor.
Yeah.
Right. Hii tugie na background ya mundu individual. Estokoretwo thiini wa field ino ya uthaki wa mithako for how long?
Ni igiuga ngoretwo field ino for about 7 years.
Miaka mugwanja.
Yes, miaka mugwanja. Area riu ngoretwo ndi very persistent no horo uyu wa theater na acting. Ndambirire na group yetagwo Fanaka Arts. Yes, ngegera haria data actor. Gicoka kuma hau ne njenjetie ngacenjia na thaici ndi andu a Mobi Entertainment.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Mr. Benja.
Oh yes.
Wewe unasukuma ngapi?
Hii 87 ni my first anniversary.
Oh really?
Yes.
Congratulations. Ikora twe hana atia. Ukiareria weta kwate actor mwerore. Ni akiongira andu a mohoro.
Yes. Ni God manzi.
Ni God manzi. Kuwa uthakite mithako igana?
How many?
Yeah. Okay. Ni kadhaa.
Yes.
Okay. The Shaja umwe wayo.
Actually it was my first show.
Oh really?
Na Doa Mobi.
Okay.
And I'm happy ni ntroe career rege.
Yes.
This time it will be better and better.
Okay.
Yes.
And tuonaga andu maroria ni I see them a lot. Dreda quact ni dreda kuigira thiini wa field ino ya theater. Benja wathire auditions, Esther Meta ni auditions ugithie kana wamenyire atia?
The auditions.
Okay.
Without auditions you cannot be always part of your chance.
Ni ukwara raini. Na ni uko neo scripts.
Very true.
Ani ugothoma.
Without auditions, I tell people to the auditions.
Yes.
Tondu kuu niko marketing.
Okay.
Acting.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
No gikio iwo.
Yes.
Thiini wa The Shaja urathaka wetau.
Reke njuge ikoro a surprise.
Oh! Ninakuona. Mundu okeyonere. Okay.
Oh yes.
Right. Esther ni juwe ni we wikayagu. Riria muretha andu wewe ni rathaka thiini wa The Shaja?
Yes.
Hata wewe utwa uko nani tukuje?
Mkuje muone. Ukaiona ndemu surprise.
Uto surprise. Eko by the way.
Ekirwo Westlands Jalaram. Yes, we have hall jega muno tura discover mwena uria no ino ndo awikara Kenya National Theatre muno ni turaikarite tuteko discover hall singi kuria ja no riu competition ino very high and very stiff kuguo riu ni urakora ni muraga space kuria Kenya National Theatre muka opt gwetha
mithako ni mingi which is a good thing
andu ni macokete theatre fiu andu ni macokete fiu yes kuguo riu muthako uyu wa The Shaja turawikira kuria Westlands Jalaram Hall auditorium 3rd of October. In fact, the next week on Friday.
Oh yes, Friday, Wednesday the fast. Yes, Wednesday is fast.
Yes, so Friday, 3rd October.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Mundu arona tigiti ciake ku.
Tigiti turaciona haria ticketyetu.com. Yes, no uthie haria na poster cito ciothe ciina pay bill kuguo no ugure direct through pay bill iyo. Na text iria turatuma na kuria nenda-ini cio kinyaniria Facebook, TikTok kundu guothe ni andu a Mobi Entertainment na nikuo turatuma nginya link ya kugura tickets.
Right.
Yes.
Ugietha athakire tondu ndiwe cast ni andu igana thaici ina andu igana
cast in andu 7
andu mugwanja
Yes.
okay in play how long I know mari ikoragwo either adu ira
2 hours
woo
Eh,
wow
2 hours
okay
Yes.
ni mogutiga tugitheka
for 2 good hours
mathaa
gutheka kuma wingire nginya
Yeah.
ume muthako
okay kaingi ni twagaga kuona behind the scenes tondu utakorwo wi field ino ithuĩ okay ni njũĩ ũrĩa gũthiaga na mbere tondu ndanagikorwo space ino no mwĩroreri oka ona mathaa mau merĩ ndakoragwo akĩmenya ũrĩa gũthiĩte na mbere Benja hi no tupintire mbica mukoretwo mukirihas how long hi kuma last year nigetha mutuĩke atĩ nĩ mwahĩa na mumeiva yes my lines na kila kitu mbica ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo na kũthutha gũkorwo kũhana atĩa
Yeah. At times it's not easy. Dekoragwo easy tondu andu no meciria tondu ati ni rira tutigwika rehearsal.
Oh no mũgũcokera
Of course.
nĩ mũkũrihas rĩngĩ
Yes.
si lines ni zile
Ni zile but you have to make it better for
oh
the
yes
audience. Yes.
Okay.
It is not easy tondu you have to rehearse, mnakorofishana director, wasanii wakorofishane, but at the end of the day no muhaka show iko better and better and better.
Okay.
Value for your money.
Okay.
Yes.
Kugo mundu akiriha shekeri cio arihite ni wira urutitwo
Fio.
all right.
Yes.
Ni turona Esther tugwaiga industry tu ni kurite muno especially ta mwaka uyu ni tuona maundu maingi ginya andu ta maitu mukabethe turona plays ingi nyingi na of course ni kuramini kwina warara muno ni kuri na kurabatarania actors kana athaki eru hihi niki gicaragio niki mwethaga thiini wa mundu kana ina mtu anaziluanga nayo natafutanga nini ndio useme sasa Benja yeye ndiye anasuti character
muno ri twikaga auditions na auditions icio andu moka kuringanaga na script iria mureka rita riu
okay
no mufatare character ya murefi ti mundu wothe ungihota kuthaka murefi kugo ri uguka tuonie niwe the best urefi ucio
murefi jorua
akwe wira atari undu tanganja
okay
yes
okay
kuringanaga na riri script iria mureka ri irenda andu mahana atia tondu kindu kia mbere ikinya ria mbere ni kwamba gukorwo na script iria mwandikite mwarikie kwandika riu mugetha athaki aria marafit script iyo nigetha mukambia kumarihas
okay the show is comedy
yes
ina comedy okay ni amwari ku athakiria meho hihi ni tumoe kana ni tumonaga makoretwo ho
twina mundu ta Jomo wa Nyathira ucio ni oikaine muno twina Maina wa Ndambiri kana wa Brian Scoria TikTok twina Esther Gashuhe of course ni njwiri munjui yes twina Benja Msanii twina Eric Chege Wangoi ucio niwe wari wa Dwining na by then areka wega twina Nice Wanjeri kana Shirwa Gongo yes
okay all right ku acio ni magakorwo manyitirire haria
acio ni me haria uguo
nicio cigana
nicio imwe
Friday ni imwe
Friday peke yake
cigana niguo tira igiri
aca tondu ni awa Dwining ri turenda aria mekugura ticket ya mbere tumahe show turiki horo ucio ru tuthondeke ingi
mufunge
yes
kwa hivyo if you miss this one ndo akora wonete the shaja
if you miss this one the shaja
dionire nitahitaji kukuja
kuje uone
the shaja no mutigai tuigata
aca kwina aria maraigatwo
I'm sure ni monete ici ikoretwo igitrend ya muthuri uria wari MP uria muthuri tuthecenja ochereria ndronire title ndarikania ka video kau gakira muthuri tuthecenja Benja what are the lessons kana kuhota guikara thiini wa industry no ri mwaka ucio umwe niki gigu sustainite
one is discipline discipline anytime any day todo not only in acting in every business discipline nego ku maintain hard na hard work na consistency and wanting to learn curiosity wanting to learn more and more and more itakusustain sana
right
yes
ni muthaki uri uko inspire kana guko Kenya jawaitoka cia Kenya ugaga ile siku mimi nitajikuta place nani yako or rather where do you get your inspiration from
right now first see my director Jomo wa Nyathira anytime any day Jomo wa Nyathira also film wise Jimmy Gathu in Kenya
nani
Jimmy Gathu internationally Denzel Washington
sawa aya no whether go switch from theater to TV
yes yes no nyede but anytime any day theater
theater you love theater why
big time cause theater you get to interact with the audience
ni uranyi ni uramenya uri andu maraigua
yes
na hi Esther ni muharagiria mundu tondu theater ti kuhuthu
Kuhotho. In fact ndiye ne thiaga handu ngacemania na mundu akaja kai Esther ni gwenda kumujoin ngamwira okay ni ukuhota wera ucio turutaga ana ndagika wai andu mangimenya ni kundu kurito muno makiria no ni tumekaga we make sure that ni twahota na ni kindu kiria ni ashuaga andu production ya andu a Mobi woka there is value for your money 1500 orariha kwina andu matwiraga asa mutingirihirie uguo kaba
makongerera
yes because ni tukuheaga reason ya guikara the for 2 good hours wirorere muthako ukenete 2 full hours yes
social media ni kumundu angimurora nigetha in case ya uyu wa thesha nja na igi ni njui ni muratuhariria ni mwaka uyu kana next year
mwaka uyu bado November
mwaka uyu ni gukona igi nigetha mundu ikarage akiwa rada na hizo usiache nyuma sikia fomo kiwaru
yes kuria social media twitaga andu a Mobi Entertainment ku ni Facebook Instagram production wathi haria ni ukuona information yo theria tukoragwo tugipass across tondu hau niho handu ha mbere tuigagirira onako ni poster oko ni auditions oko ni undu wothe ni twikaga nginya CSR projects koguo onako ni CSR turathie tuigagirira hau na andu othe makamenya uri ukwenda gutujoini agatujoini na re mekwenda gugituhoera mekuria mici matuhoera tugagithie wega yes
wigani kuria Jala Ram no direka ti Jala Ram murima tujitweka yes this coming Friday na ticket yetu niho details ire ukariha 1500 ni the award winning show the Saja and then itweke ni close right Benjamin mundu angikuona kuna also what should we expect kuma kuriwe in the future yes
mtandaoni ni msanii Benja all social handles in the future the next generation this day yes
more than the tariki 26th we shall ye karoine giki of course toka kwendithiria wega na ni turakena tukiona andu eru magiuka tondu miga maundu ni diganiro na this industry ni kurete muno in fact audience nirariha that amount ginya makeria magaikara thi tiete tukoretwo kwina value but ni turakura na ngakena ginya kwina awards iratambura so it's a good thing Esther nawe tukuonaga atia kuria mtandaoni
ni kuria mtandaoni mukunyona kuria Facebook Esther Gashohe kuria TikTok Esther Gashohe #mamabrian na dina kiria ya TikTok account ya TikTok ireta the wa Brians ni tuthekagiria andu ku kidogo yes
mtandaoni
yes
ni mukugeithania
no ginya
Tika wegwa ria ku ona utigona mathaa mangeithi
ona
matienda kuigua ngeithi
no ginya tugeithania yes ni ndrenda kugeithia my dad ucio ahurire thimu hakuhe 4 kuma
ataraingira
ona emwe ndiramenya ahurire hau kambe-ini ugire ni TV ndamira ugo ngwenda kumugeithia muno makiria baba witu ni baba nyendete muno akoragwo kuria mwena wa Ndarugu I salute you na ni ngwenda ni njui ni ndimwendete Ndarugu ni Juja ndumioi
kwa mahiga I thought we
Ndarugu mawe yes na kama isan getagwo Lenny Gashohe yes mageithika muno ni njui ni maranyindorera na mundu ungi wothe waikara thi athikiririe uhoro uyu twina
na mafans kuria TikTok
na kuma fans kuria TikTok
na andu aria magoka
riu kwa jacio ri kwa jari riu makigurite ticket already tondu ni cithiete fiu
ukama hango ugo virtually
so ndirameterera haria gate-ini ni ngamakaribisha ngimera karibu ndani yes
Benja ukwenda kugeithia
first of all as usual my mother geithiko haurie mtaani also my small sister Baire and my nephew
Benja muthako ni wa Gikuyu
yeni
uraria Gikuyu
ndo ukesho wone come and see the show
Benja kitoko ni rahe vibes ya rere
ukawone
ogoka de one
okay Woody wa muthako wa ingira Gikuyu arakiruta ta githuku
kira mu
Kiramu makomo.
Wakimenya deka Gen Z bonta hao.
All right. Nimogete ni gatha muno ni guka na kunyitanira na ithui and I wish you guys all the best.
Thank you.
Muihoria ina capacity ya shigana?
450 people.
450 people.
Only for 50 people peke yake.
Muihoria murute wira mwega mwathani amurathime and even iria ingi igukari the same.
Amen.
Kuma goko gwenye waka Meme TV tunawatakia na mwenda gucoka uko ni muci.
Asante. Thank you muno. Ni twakena muno ni undu wa station ino gutwitikira na ni turacokia ngatho cia mwanya muno kuri Kameme TV fraternity. Asanteni sana.
Asante.
Yes.
Right, muradi wa Kameme TV icio ni cigie kindu gigwitwo The Shaja. It's an award winning play ikuria mwena wa theater Jala Ram. Icon dinahitia oria dauga. This coming Friday 3rd na reke ngwire ni kanyaga kamara kuhe nigetha hote kumiona. Of course it's a scumbag, it's bigger, it's better na nikihotanire award koguo ri ukanyitanira nao thie kuria online Andwa Mobi Production urore ni ukuona details ciothe na ivero ucio tugathie kuria mwena wa Meru Club BVB nigetha tunyitanire na First Officer Jeff Jeroge na DJ Kariz ndukareke mugithio wa Meru kuhitukana kwa naigedia kwirire wewe Meru na icigirira cia kuona ithwe tukauma guku Nairobi all the way to make it a road trip. Kameme FM Kameme TV ni tugakorwo turi live ni Kigwa Outdoor Arena tomorrow. Roro rakia twina team yothe ya Kigwa kuhigwa muri na tugakorwo tukiri live koguo ri tukanyitania kumwena wa club BVB na ngona mundu ogwitwo DJ Giant ako apa in the building nigetha akorwo agituinikiriria tukorwo tugitiriha tafari itu ya muthenya wa muthi ngagucokeria ngatho we mwiroreri ni kunyitania na ithu all through the week na muthi kumaria tukianjiriria we watu andikira we watu irorera we silent follower we diaspora watu tunawapenda tena sana getono nsizi mwari wangethe gakwendithia weekend njega na ngayenda na tukinyaniria ri turokanire muthenya wa mwambiririo same time 5 PM. DJ Giant take over gena weekend njega.
Over for a gift. I put diamonds on your wrist. I can't buy your loving. It's never enough. I took that girl on a trip. Cause we was arguing. Ever since we stopped touching, we're not in touch. I know money can't buy your love. I guess I didn't try hard enough. But we could work this like a 9 to 5. Mama told me stop play all the games. Steady throwing dollars, expect to change. But every war ends the same. Can we just make love, not war? Oh, can we just
DJ Giant 254 Moto Kama Pasi.
Oh, I solved my problems with a check. Now I'm paying for it. You wanted nothing, nothing but love. I can't lie, I'm a mess. I'm too jealous, yes. It's so hard to trust you when I don't trust myself. I know money can't buy your love. I guess I didn't try hard enough. But we could work this like a 9 to 5. Mama told me stop play all the games. Steady throwing dollars, expecting change. But every war ends the same. Can we just make love, not war? Oh, can we just make love, not war?
Jimmy establishes.
Nilisema sitopenda, nimependa.
nawe usiku mmoja ndio kuja sasa mbua tena bila kikomo naifinyia kwa ndani na cheketua ninapiga shift double decker sina muda wa kudeka mapenzi yashanipiga chenga kizenguo mina sepa unapiga shift double decker sina muda wa kudeka mapenzi yashanipiga chenga kizenguo mina sepa nataka usiku mmoja niwe nipekeche hadi chei ila mapenzi niwe nataka usiku mmoja niwe nipekeche hadi chei ila mapenzi niwe niko tepe kama gypsy zege usiku mmoja niwe nitembeze fimbo ya utembe usiku mmoja niwe niko tepe kama gypsy zege usiku mmoja niwe nitembeze fimbo ya utembe usiku mmoja niwe ninataka usiku mmoja niwe usiku mmoja niwe ai we usiku mmoja niwe usiku mmoja niwe ninataka usiku mmoja niwe usiku mmoja niwe daddy yo hey usiku mmoja niwe usiku mmoja niwe ninachekecha nicheketu nachekecha nacheketu ninachekecha nacheketu nachekecha nacheketu ninachekecha nacheketu nachekecha nacheketu ninachekecha